Here's the Suburban water heater on my wonderful Pleasureway 1995 Dodge 318. And goodness only knows how long this sacrificial anode rod has been in there. Let's put it against the white here so you can see it better. Is that not horrendous? I mean, really. So I got a new one. Look at the difference. Shiny, bigger. So that's going to be going in, but first I want to rinse it out. The gunk that came out of here was a sight to behold. So I've got this little washing device. Look at that gunge. My word. Okay, get back in there. Turn you all the way on. Well, you're supposed to be all the way on. Let's go to the faucet and check. Maybe I didn't turn it far enough. Okay, we've got water. Look at that disgusting stuff coming out of there. That's coming out of my hot water tank. Wow. Let it go for a while. I don't know, can you see how clean the water is coming out of there now? Certainly not black anymore. I don't know when this was ever cleaned. This is my first time cleaning it. Wow. No wonder my water was stinky and gray. Looks nice and clear now.